In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Verify app. By the end, you'll know how to find the app on the Google Play Store and start the multi-factor authentication setup in your Xero account, so your sign-ins are more secure without adding unnecessary friction. Let's begin on your Android device. Open the Google Play Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in with the Google account you use on that phone. A quick tip: if you're on mobile data, a stable Wi-Fi connection can make downloads and updates smoother. In the Play Store search bar, type Xero Verify, spelled V-E-R-I-F-Y, and run the search. You should see the official Xero Verify app appear in the results. You're looking for the authentic app from Xero, typically featuring the recognizable Xero branding. Take a second to open the app's page and confirm it looks legitimate by checking the developer name and the description. Skimming recent reviews can also help you confirm you've found the right one. This is the app you'll use to approve sign-ins and, if needed, generate one-time codes for your Xero login. Now switch over to your Xero account in a web browser and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click your initials or profile image. From that menu, choose Account. On the Account page, find Multi-Factor Authentication. Go ahead and select that, then choose Setup. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection by requiring something you know, your password, and something you have, your phone, to verify it's really you. Keep your phone nearby and unlocked as you start setup. Xero will guide you through connecting the Verify app to your account. Just follow the on-screen prompts in Xero and in the app. You may be asked to approve a request or confirm a short verification code. Both are normal. If your phone asks for notification permission, allow it so you can receive approval prompts during future sign-ins. If you ever notice codes not working, check that your phone's date and time are set automatically. Accurate time is essential for time-based codes. Once pairing is complete, you'll use Xero Verify to approve sign-ins going forward. If you're offline, the app can display a temporary code that works without internet. Remember, never share your codes, and if you receive an approval request you didn't initiate, deny it and update your Xero password immediately. If you plan to change phones later, update your MFA within your Xero account first to avoid lockouts. And that's it. Simple, secure, and ready to go.